Welcome to CMS theme installation. In this video, we're going to learn about CMS custom theme installation. On the previous video, we got to the CMS login. CMS allows you to install, edit, and delete custom themes. One of the 4 reasons why you should use CAN is the availability of more themes and templates. Not only does it allow more themes, but also it allows you to manage multiple websites, and it's easy and fast to use, and it gets you to efficient and enhanced productivity. CMS, since its release, has been used by research institutions, corporate firms, government institutions, religious bodies, among others. Being an open source CMS, many themes have been developed and modified for use, and the list is still counting. Now, some examples of themes developed by individuals or groups with CAN. With academic, educational, and research institutions, we have KNUST, the theme built with CAN CMS, managed with CAN CMS. Mostly everything in KNUST, the main site and multiple sites are all built with CAN CMS. We also have Regional Maritime University, also built and managed with CAN. And we have government institutions like Ghana Post Company Limited, also built and managed with CAN. The Internal Revenue Service, also built and managed with CAN. The Student Loan Trust Fund is also built and managed with CAN. Then we have corporate organizations like Newmont Afro Development Foundation, also built and managed with CAN. The Edisoft Ghana, also maintained with CAN. We also have Macaedu Consult, also built with CAN. For Website Africa, also built with CAN. Other religious organizations like Calvary Charismatic Center, also built, managed, and maintained with CAN. We have the National Union of Vegetarian Students, also built and managed with CAN. We also have the Student Representative Council of the University, an association website built and managed with CAN. And we have Gospel Explosion, our website also developed and managed with CAN. So the list could be countless. To install a custom theme on CAN CMS, on the CMS management options, access the Manage Themes, assigns you to the Install Themes, create a new theme, or install a new theme. You can also edit existing theme, install new other themes to that theme, and also delete that particular theme. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new theme. You go right up here and click New Theme, and create a new theme by providing a theme name. Some description for the theme. Create the name of the theme that you want to install. So I have my theme, and the CAN web as keyed in here takes up the folder. There are some default folders with some scripts that you find in the CAN web theme folder. So if you're satisfied with everything that is supplied, just create theme. So we have a new theme created. So I'll proceed with this theme, and I just click on edit theme, and I will go into pick the icon file for this CMS. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Okay, you can also install a new CSS for this file. I just click on install new CSS, and this way the option to pick the file. This way I could go to my themes folder, take a silver theme, my choice, go to CSS, go to default and pick the default the CSS file, name second file sheet. I've copied the same text and placed it in the section and install alternate CSS. So I have two themes installed here. Now I could edit each, go into this and edit the path, edit the information, and if I'm okay, I'm just going to leave everything as it is. Or I could also edit the file. Now I'll say continue this. Then you could do editing to review the style sheet that you have in there, and to save and close it if you wish so. So I'll close this one and cancel, and you can also delete the theme. In this case, I'll go ahead and delete the second style sheet. So I'm left with only this style sheet. To get this style sheet to work for the website, you would have to go to the site homepage and access the edit definition. Scroll down to the site theme section. Notice the CAN Silver theme that we installed during the CAN CMS installation is currently selected. Now it's changed back to the CAN CMS website default theme that I installed as a custom theme. And the theme style is default to this theme. And I'll go ahead and save that and click view to see my site.